Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Quick, very helpful video today for any of you trying to find where the low beams and the high beams headlight fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain which multiple fuses relays you need to check. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes information that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well, guys. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. The low beam and the high beam headlight fuses relays come, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them if you have problems with them. We will demonstrate on that Chevy Equinox right here, that generation Chevy Equinox. And quick advice from us, guys, probably around 9 out of 10 owners have no idea where all the hidden fuse boxes are located in it. That's okay, guys, that's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. And what we need to do now, we need to open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, that's the driver's side. Okay, you see the brake fluid reservoir right next to it. On the right side you have a fuse box that has one tab here, one tab there. Each tab has 2 clips that you squish together and leave the cover up. When you do that, guys, underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what we need to check 3 different components, so please make sure you stay until the end. The first one, we're talking about fuse number 35. In that row of fuses, fuse number 35 will be this fuse right here. Then you need to check fuse number 36. These 2 fuses will need to be checked, guys. And also we need to check one relay, and that relay is known as relay 59 right there. Check it as well, guys. If you check those, tested everything and it's fine, okay, what we recommend to check is your BCM, body control module fuses and relays. Test those as well, because it could be related to body control module problem where it causes your headlight not to work as well, guys. We'll have the video on the channel about the BCM fuses and relays if you need help with that. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.